Legendary birthplace of Aphrodite and the third largest island in the Mediterranean, Cyprus is a stepping stone between civilizations. Lying at the crossroads between many great cities, Cyprus has everything to offer those looking for warm seas and year-round sunshine. It is easily accessible, welcoming visitors from around the world. With over 20 years' experience in the property industry, proven record for high-end quality and design, with more than 3,000 properties in our portfolio, our largest project, the region's development plan features 14 five-star hotels, beach clubs, restaurants, shops and facilities including an 18-hole golf course. It's a future tourism heaven with potential and ambition. With the surrounding area offering history, culture and tradition, there's so much to discover. Being the only residential seafront project in the area, every property enjoys sea views. The facilities are both extensive and varied, with a wealth of land and water-based activities, restaurant, spa, gym, market and much more. Our beach is a major attraction with its enviable stretch of sandy shoreline. Deck's restaurant proves popular at all times of the day, with pool and pier bars for on-the-spot refreshment and evening entertainment. With Phase 1 nearly sold out, further expansion will include low-rise apartments to complement the existing development along with additional pools and facilities. If what you've seen isn't enough incentive, the price of property is dramatically different from the rest of the Mediterranean, attracting international investors. Choose from a wide range of luxury studio, 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments, encompassing penthouses with jacuzzis to ground floor apartments with private pools. Statistics indicate high returns on property, both in capital growth and rental yields, which is only forecast to improve. With all this and the beach included, why wouldn't you want a piece of this paradise for your own?